Hello, friends. I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. The Christmas week is here, the last full trading week for the year, and that too a shortened one where we have the markets remaining closed on the most part of the world, and the trading activity might remain subdued as the traders might be on a holiday across the globe. So, what to expect now from gold and silver today? Which direction the metals are going to take, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, everything we're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next one will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end and do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Press the bell icon, join the free Telegram channel, join the channel memberships here on YouTube. Are my annual review for year 2025 for gold and silver is released already. Do not miss to watch it. Let's have a look at gold. What gold is doing here is it is on a retracement path. It is in this bullish channel right now. It is forming a nice flag. Let it stay above 2630 today. You can buy here at 2630. Possibility is high that we may see gold towards 2640 levels. There is a possibility, but as I said several times in last week, 2650 and 2660 are the levels which are going to remain critical for gold. Any movement beyond 2650 or 60 is a sign of slight reversal or bullishness. Else it is under retracement, not a reversal. Yes, it is trading in this bullish channel. The highs of the channel might limit itself to 2650 level. What it is doing on the hourly chart is taking the support from the 20-50 period moving average, and the moving averages have also crossed over. This is a good sign for the bulls. Prices are just staying a notch below the 200 period average here on the hourly charts. Stochastic rising. MACD has seen a good retracement. It is on the verge of a crossover. It is not yet crossed over. I will wait for it to cross over and retrace, else it is still staying bullish. RSI very near to the top here. Coming to 2 hour, the observation on the 2 hour charts is more or less same. Rise, retracement, then support, rise, retracement. Now I'll wait for a breakout here above 2630 levels, and then you can expect 2638.40 or in fact 2650 levels as well. 2650 appears to be the first major resistance which my gold might get here on the upside. 4850 should be very critical. Beyond that, certainly more bullishness should prevail. The moving averages here have started to converge but not yet crossed over. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is rising. It is in green looking upwards. The RSI is flat looking upwards. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. See, the moving averages has started to converge here, and yes, it is staying bullish. Good rise, sideways movement. Wait for a breakout above 26, 28, 30 zone, and then you can look forward to more bullishness certainly. Right now, it is under retracement. Similar observation what we have seen on the 1 hour, 2 hour charts. Stochastic near to overbought zone. MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI comfortable here. Coming to 4 on the 4 hour charts, the observation is same here. Only thing here is if you connect the dots here, you will find see this. Um, Look at the formation here, lower highs here, and these highs are beautifully aligned so far. So it is very important for gold to now trade above 2630 levels. That will be the confirmation of further rise, and then we can expect it to move close to 2640 as the first target, and in fact we may see 2650 as well, though right now the momentum is not strongly in support of a stronger rise or a drop. It is very much a flat movement is what we are observing here. The moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bearish. The stochastic is overbought, trying to cool down, while the MACD has crossed over here at the bottom and it is looking upwards. It is trying to trade bullish. The RSI is staying flat. Coming to the day on the daily charts, very important the crossover here, and the second thing is the attempt by the prices to move towards 2050 can be there, which means we may see a movement. We can expect a movement towards 2650, and a move about 2660 is a sign of retracement or a reversal. If you look at the formation, what gold might do is connect the dots. It can in fact approach the highs here before showing any down move or a breakout. Be mindful of this. Yes, it can in fact approach the highs here before showing any signs of reversal. Now see, today what has happened, it has started on a slight bearish note, now trying to recover, and that is why I say if you see it is staying about 26 28 30 zone, you can initiate a buying entry here. Expect 2640 levels here, and in fact 2650 is very much possible. While on the downside, now see, it is starting on a lower note, and if you see it now staying below 2618, that is the point of time where you can initiate a selling entry. But then also very important for it to trade below 2610 and 2600, and only bearishness, because see last week what we had seen, higher lows were getting created, And that is why I say only bearishness in gold is if you see it is staying below 2590, 2582 zone, else it is still not to be treated bearish. The stochastic rising, MACD is still bearish on the daily charts, RSI flat. So before I give you the levels here, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now, considering this very simple, buy 2628, expect 2632, 3640, and then I will wait for 2648.50 as the next targets. These are achievable levels here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2618, expect 2614, 260810, and if that is taken, then 2602 04 levels will appear. Below 260204, stay short for 2596 and 2590 levels. Below 2590 is where the bears are waiting towards 2582.84, and below 82.84 is a crash can be expected, which may take gold prices towards 2560, 2540 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. After the rise here, the last trading session, it is trading in a bullish channel. It is waiting for it to break now beyond 2980 levels. If it trades above 2980, certainly it's a buy. You can expect 30, 30, 20, 25, and then in fact 30, 50, 30, 60 zone. Only reversal confirmation, only bullish confirmation is if it breaks beyond 30, 60, else it is still not to be treated bullish. Moving averages have converged. These have almost on the verge of a crossover, and also silver is delivering higher lows and higher highs. Right now trading in a moderate bullish channel. The stochastic has dropped. MACD has seen a good retracement. It is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. It is still staying bullish. Remember, it has formed a double bottom. It can form a double top here. Possibility is high. RSI comfortable here. Coming to two. Look at the 2 hour charts here. Similar observation, higher lows, higher highs, getting a bit of resistance from the 20-50 period moving average here. So I'll recommend you to buy only if you see it is staying above 2980 levels, else it is still not on buys here. Be mindful of this. While on the downside, now couple of key support levels in between 2940 and 20 exist. If and only if it drops below 2940 20 zone, you can say slight bearishness should. Stochastic trying to cool down from the overbought zone. MACD is in green, trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI staying flat. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, what has happened? Notice this. After giving a slight gap up, it is showing a cross here, and it is trying to reverse, may find a support at 2950-40 zone. So now this point is clear that at least the buying entries are only about 2980. As long as it stays below 2980, stay cautious with the buys. Do not treat this as bullish. Only about 2980 we can expect 30, 30, 20, 25, and then in fact 30, 50 levels here. Till then, I'll say you have to be careful. Right now, it is trying to erase some of the gains. The stochastic is overbought while the MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, is staying bullish. RSI is staying flat here. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation here on the 4 hour chart, taking the support from the 20 period. It is trying to stay here with the support zone, trying to stay sideways. I will say we have to be cautious. Do not take a sell as long as 2940 is not taken. Only bearishness is below 2940, where it can try to erase the gains from this candle. The stochastic overbought. The MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, looking with divergence, trading with bullishness here, looking upwards. RSI flat. Coming to the observation is same. See one bullish candle, and see it. If you notice the formation here, you will find it is breached this zone at 2960 and now trading above 2960 levels. And yes, most important one is at 2980. If these two are taken, then we can look forward to 30, 30, 20, 25, and in fact it can approach towards 30, 50, 30, 60 zone as well, which is going to remain the prime resistance for silver on the upside. The crossover here is very, very important. This is a bearish cross. What is happening here? After the drop, it is trying to recover a bit. It can try to recover like this, where in fact we may see silver towards 30, 50, 30, 60 zone, and at that point it will decide the direction it wants to take. What is happening? Drop, retracement, drop. It could retrace towards where? Retrace towards the top of this channel. The more time it spends there, the lower the levels are, and then it may reverse. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. MACD bearish, RSI comfortable. Considering this, only buying entry today in silver is about 2980, where you can expect 30, 30, 20, 25, and in fact 30, 50, 30, 60 levels are possible. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2940 levels, expect 29 30, 29.15, and then $29 levels. See, very nearby support. Below 29 is where the bears are waiting. You can look forward to 28.75. And if 28.75 is taken, we can say now it is going to stay bearish here. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates of the market, and join the channel memberships. Thank you. See you again before the US session with more updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading.